Stripped back to its bare bones and completely reimagined, this period townhouse was transformed with a bold, eclectic design full of vibrant color, seamlessly blending modern upgrades with the careful restoration of original features and the thoughtful reinstatement of those lost to time. Throughout the townhouse, Pia Design introduced playful and inviting details, with the spine wall painted in pharaoh and ball cinder rose from top to bottom. This was beautifully contrasted by the staircase in pharaoh and ball railings, with a fuchsia pink border on the stair runner encouraging visual exploration upwards. Jewel tones like teal, burgundy, and emerald were artfully incorporated to create striking contrasts against walls painted in soft pastels such as pharaoh and ball's peignoir. The kitchen, for instance, showcases dark green cabinets paired with breakfast room green walls, complemented by a bespoke liquid metal extractor cover, brass handles, and handmade zellige tiles, adding an element of surprise. Pia Design, a sustainable interior design firm, undertook the vibrant and eclectic redesign of Savile House, a period townhouse situated in the heart of London. This extensive project involved stripping the property down to its bare joists, followed by a complete rewiring and replumbing, all while meticulously preserving existing period features and reinstating those that were missing. The design concept for this home was heavily influenced by the client's affection for the color green, which served as a foundational element for the overall color palette. The main bedroom suite on the top floor is a joyful explosion of spring greens and deep emeralds. Above the bespoke velvet headboard, Hand-painted and customized wallpaper from de Gournay's Portobello collection draws inspiration from Emmanuel Canova's fabric swatch provided by the client. This fabric is also featured on the curtains, blanket box, and signature bed cushion. The main ensuite echoes the green theme with William Morris willow bough wallpaper, sage green subway tiles in a geometric pattern, and fluted oak drawer fronts on the bespoke vanity unit. These fluted details mirror the fluting on the shower screen. The top floor also extends to a charming terrace, creating an additional outdoor room with views of Notting Hill and Holland Park.